How to check your age on TikTok. So if you want to check your age on TikTok, then first of all you have to open up your TikTok application. And now after opening, now you can go to your profile, which is on the bottom right corner, and let's see if we can see the age. You can go to edit profile, and here we don't have that option. So what you have to do is you have to simply go to the upper right corner, which has the three barred icon, and then go to settings and privacy. And after that you can simply go to the first option, which is account, and here you will have a bunch of options. So you can go to download your data, and here make sure that you have chosen the file format to text, and then you have to tap on request data. And now it's saying that you have requested your data and it's pending. So once your file is ready, it will be available to download in a zipped format for up to 4 days. It will expire if you request data again. After downloading, select the file to unzip it and view your data. So it may take 2 or 3 days to receive the data, and after that you can simply tap on download, and after that you can download your data and you can see your date of birth or your age from that. So that's it. That's how you see your age on TikTok. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.